Hi everyone, here's a quick look at how I log my LinkedIn stats in Excel. So I'm looking at a spreadsheet here. What I do is as soon as I've posted something, I'll copy the link to the post and put it in this URL column. That leads to quite a long string of text. So what I do is I've narrowed this column, made the text smaller, but I've created a little rule that says when I've pasted in the URL, if I've pasted in a proper URL, then the cell will go green. So if I look in my conditional formatting and my rules, you can see that I've set up a rule that does that. If it contains HTTPS, then format the cell green. That just means that I can't make a mistake. If I've pasted the wrong content in there, it won't show up in green. Then I've put in the first line of the post, so that's like my title. I always start with an emoji and then a line of text. That's my title. Then I log what kind of post it is, so everything is either text, image or video, so that goes in that column. Then I log the views, likes, comments and shares, but what I do, I start by putting in the date when I've posted the item. And then in this next column here, the date checked, I just add 14 to that figure. And what that does is it means that I can see in 2 weeks' time, this is the date that I need to check it. And I've set up another formula here that says if that 2 weeks is today, which it is in this case, where's my formulas there? Yeah, so if it's today, then color it gold, so that when I'm looking at my spreadsheet, I always kind of get a reminder of when I need to check the stats. So there's one that I haven't checked yet that I need to do. And I've got some additional info over here. And then I've got another tab at the bottom, which is my summary. So this is all done on formulas. So I say, for example, if it's a text post, sum everything that's, or take the average of everything that's a text post and look at the likes. So you can see there's a formula up here that handles that. It's the average if. So what it does is it looks in this tab and says, get everything in column C that says text. And then if it is text, then look at everything in column E in this case, which is likes, and take the average of those. And so I've replicated that formula in the other cells to do the other ones, so image, video and so forth. And I've created a couple of extra ones that give me a view of the average views per like. So in my case, it only takes, for example, here, it only takes 32 views of a video to get me one comment. Whereas for a text post, it takes 75 views on average to get me one comment. So in my case, videos get proportionally more comments than text views do. But of course, if you look at my actual view count here, you can see that text outperforms everything else. Although you can't really compare text and video because they're not measured the same way. So there we go. That's a quick look at how I log my stats. It would be great if LinkedIn could do all this for me, but I don't think even on a premium account it does this sort of thing, and certainly doesn't on a free account. So, but it is a fairly easy routine to get into. Post something, copy the URL, the title. This is all done through Formulae, so I can go and just grab the stats and paste them in here, and then this handles itself automatically. So that's it. Hope that's helpful, and speak to you all soon. Cheers.